Another Pune company making its mark in the power control equipment sector is AZ Electronics. Started by local entrepreneur Mayur Gujarati and his wife, AZ has built up a formidable reputation today thanks mainly to the devout disposition of its founders. Started in 1984, AZ Electronics is today NSIC and ISO certified. For 1984, AZ Electronics is today NSIC and ISO certified for manufacturing a host of power control equipment, from UPS and inverters to static frequency converters and DC power supplies.
We didn't have that time that vision that okay, we are going to be having a big company, but then slowly the family grew up. We started with turnover of 1 lakh per year and we have reached up to 10 crores. We are graduated in power electronics from College of Engineering Pune, and thanks to Electricity Board and their failure of lights, we thought of diverting ourselves to manufacturing of stabilizers and uninterruptible power supplies.
Taking the company to the next level through his marketing nous is Mayur Gujarati's nephew Vijay. With his wide network across industries from banks, government offices and the armed forces to R&D centers, power stations and process industries, Vijay has helped AZ build up an enviable list of major clients across the length and breadth of the country. It also helps that his company's products have now become a byword for innovative approach, longevity and durability.
We have very good design and development department. We have very good engineers and production people. Whatever we develop here, we first test it here. Not only that, whatever raw materials we are getting, we are first testing it here and then we are taking it into production. Without that, it is not possible to supply good product, and that is our one of the main strength what we can highlight here as a USP, and people are happy with us because of that.
Building up on the goodwill of its charismatic management, AZ today boasts a who's who of clients to which it supplies its products. RBI, SBI, LIC, BSNL, DRDO, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, National Defence Academy, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Indian Navy, National Airport Authority and the Indian Railways are just some of those prestigious names. And AZ has gone about accumulating these clients with a quiet determination that comes from years of self-assurance over its quality. In a sector crammed full with SMEs around every nook and corner, AZ stands out as a breath of fresh air. Well,